And here we go, Ford fans. Looking at, I mean, just a drop-dead beautiful example of a 36 Ford. Walking by, I was immediately struck by the paint condition and the wheels, trim, and how everything goes together on it. Very beautiful. If you notice, it's got the top to it. Beautiful stock dash, modern steering wheel and column, and seating. Probably the way to fly with these. Adds a degree of comfort, safety. But look at the design flow. Those big fenders coming off of there. With the wide whites, red wheels. Beautiful, beautiful. Got the thin pinstripe running down the body to play into the wheels. Is this your car?
Okay, yeah.
This one?
Yeah.
Wow. And as we stand back, take a look at that design. You know, I'm traditionally a muscle car guy. That's mostly what I cover. But I've tuned into these older body styles, man, because they're just classic. The design flow and what they were doing back in the 30s when they were pumping these things out was nothing short of ingenious and beautiful. And just imagine taking this out of the dealership in 36, you know? Heading down the highway. All around beautiful car. How long have you owned this car?
1966.
You've owned it since 66?
Yeah.
Wow, that's a great story, man. That's incredible. So you had it restored, obviously.
Yeah, it's been done several times.
Several times? Yeah, that makes sense. I have to tell you, it's a beautiful car. Because I'm walking down the row, I immediately gravitated to it because of the look, the paint, and the color play.
That's an original 36 color.
Ah, very good. Yep.
Cordova tan.
It seemed period correct, because that was common back then, you know? But I really want to tell you, very nice car, sir.
Thank you.
Very nice car. And there you have it, Ford fans.
Part of the family.
Oh, no doubt. Yes, they are. And take a look at that design flow. Beautiful, beautiful car. Let's step back and get one more shot. And there you go. This is Gauze Garage. Thank you.